Last class we discussed about 11th problem. Let us continue next one, 12th one. Show how you would connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm. So here 3 resistors are there. So each is having 6 ohm. So that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohm and 4 ohm. So actually we have to understand this problem. Here 3 resistors are there. So when you connect in parallel, so you have to get resultant value as a 9 ohm and another one is 4 ohm. So next first one we should consider when the combination as a resultant as 9 ohm. So here 3 resistors, nothing but R1, R2, R3. So consider R1 as a 6 ohm, then R2 again 6 ohm, then R3 also 6 ohm. So here, so one resistance value already you know, that is 6 ohm. So here R2 plus R3, so which are connected in parallel. So what is the resultant resistance value? Let's see. So parallel combination of R1, R2 and R3 resistance. So formula you already know that 1 divided by R3. So 1 divided by RP is equal to 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So substitute values, then you are getting 1 by 3. So 1 by RP is equal to 1 by 3. Take reciprocal, then RP value will become 3 ohm. So here what is the resultant value? RP is equal to 3 ohm. So here 6 ohm is there. 6 ohm and this both resistors resultant value is 3. 6 plus 3, 9 ohm. So we can get 9 ohm. Again I will write here. So 6 ohm plus 3 ohm. The resultant value is 9 ohm. So this is our first one. Next again we have to consider second one. What you have to prove? The resultant value should be 4 ohm. So how to connect these 3 resistors? Let's see. So this is the circuit. So how to connect? So you see R1 and R2 which are connected in series manner, nothing but end to end, and one resistance is connected in parallel. So here both R1 and R2 are connected in series. I will add this one. 6 plus 6 how much? 12. So I will consider as a R2 is equal to 12 ohm. So another R1 is 6 ohm. I will take it as a 6 ohm. So here resultant value you have to find out that RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R1 or 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So R2 value how much is there? 12. So R1 value how much is there? 6. So here 12 how you are getting? 6 plus 6. So which both resistors are connected in series. So I took as a 12. So RP is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. So take LCM, you are getting as a 12. So when you add, you are getting as a 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 12. So cancel to 3 ones are 3 4. So how much you are getting? 1 by RP is equal to 1 by 4. So when you take reciprocal, RP is equal to 4 ohm. So what is the resultant value? We have to prove that is 4 ohm. So this is the answer. RP is equal to 4 ohm. So we have to remember in this problem. So how you are connecting the resistors? So if we connected in series, so what is the resultant value? If we connected in parallel, so what is the resultant value? So this is answer. Okay, see next problem. Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the 2 wires of 220 volt line if the maximum available current is 5 ampere? So here several electric bulbs are connected. So which is connected to the two wires having voltage as a 220 volt and current as a 5 ampere and power as a 10 volt. So here write down given data. V is equal to 220 volt and P is equal to power nothing but 10 watt. So we have to find out the resistance. Each electric bulb, how much resistance is it, that we have to collect. So what is the formula? R equal to V square divided by P. So substitute given values. So V square, we already know that V value, that is 220. So V square is there, take it as 2 times 220 into 220 divided by. So P value how much is 10 watt. So here 10. 0 0 get cancelled. So 220 into 22. So if you multiply this one, you are getting answer as a 4840. So this is the resistance value. So this resistance is connected to the each electric bulbs. Now what you have to calculate? So total resultant resistance value you have to find out. So this resistance value is only one electric bulb resistance. So here how many? Several electric bulbs. We don't know how many electric bulbs are connected. So resultant resistance value we have to find out. So that's why only I am taking formula as V is equal to I into R. So we have to find out resultant resistance, that is Rp is equal to V by I. So you can write R net also. So resistance R net. So net nothing but total. So R equal to V by I. Substitute values. V is nothing but 220 and current is 5 ampere. Cancel you. So you are getting as a 44 ohm. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. 2 remains. So 0 is at 20. Again 5 fours are 20. So resultant resistance is 44 ohm. See here, now we have to calculate how many electric bulbs are connected. So here, then formula to become Rp is equal to R divided by N. So substitute values here. So Rp we know, R we know. So we have to find out here N. Then formula will become N equal to R divided by Rp. So what is the R value here? 4840. So what we find out first one. Next Rp. So R net total resistance is 44. So 11 fours are 44. 11 fours are 44. Again 4 remains 44. 11 fours are 44. 0 remains 0. So 440 divided by 4. So again use 4 ones are tables. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Again 4 ones are 4. 0 remains 0. So what is the answer here? 110. So N is equal to 110. So how many electric bulbs are connected here? So when you allow 5 ampere having 2 wires as a voltage 220 volt, the electric bulbs. So what question clearly they can see how many lamps. How many lamps? So that is N is equal to 110 lamps is connected. This is the answer.
Mm.
12 rooms are 12 lines 108, 2 remains 20. 12 let's see. Next problem. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B. So each of 24 ohm resistance. So which may be used separately in series or in parallel. So what are the current in 3 cases? So you have to find current value. So when you connected that resistance separately and in a series and in parallel. So first case. 2 coils are connected separately. So what are the given data? V is equal to 220 volt and R is equal to 24 ohm. So we have to find out the current value. So I is equal to V by R. Substitute values 220 divided by 24. So cancel 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0 remains as it is. So again 12 1s are 12 9s are 12 9s are 108. So in 110 108 when means 2 remains. So it will not go in take point, it will become 20. So 12 ones are 12. So again how much remains here? So here 8 remains. So 80. So 12 is the 72. So again remainder 8 remains unknown 8. So what is the value? 9.16. So when the resistance 2 coils are connected separately means then current is 9.16 ampere. Let's see next case. When two coils are connected in series. So series you already know that. So resistance. So it is equal to the sum of the individual resistance. Two resistors is there. So total value 24 plus 24. So E is equal to 48 ohm. So resistance value when it is connected in series you are getting as 48 ohm. Then find out what is the value of current. So I is equal to V by R. So let's see once again I will explain. So V by R is equal to 220 divided by 48. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So here 55 divided by 12 is there. So here 12 ones are used. 12 ones are 12. So here this is 12, 55. 12 4s are 48. So 5 minus 8 in 5 8 not going take carry. So it will become 15. 15 minus 8 7. So here 4 minus 4 0. So 7 is less than 12. So it is not going take decimal point and it will take 0. 70. 12 5s are 60. So how much remains? 10. Again 10 is less than 12. So take one more 0, it will become 100. 12 8s are 96. So what is the remainder? 4. So answer we are getting 4.58. So when the resistors are connected in series, the current value I is equal to 4.58 ampere. So next in third case, the resistors are connected in parallel. Then you have to find out what is the value of R2. So 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So R1, R2 is having same value, that is 24. Substitute value. So what is the LCM here? 24. So here same is there. In denominator, so take as it is. What is the number is there in numerator? 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 divided by 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 12. So here, so equivalent to this one, Rp is equal to 12 ohm. So resultant resistance value Rp is equal to 12 ohm when it is connected in parallel. So in this case we have to find electric current. So I is equal to V by Rp. So V same as it is 220 volt. So Rp how much? 12 volt. So cancel to this one. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 2 remains 25, 3 8s are 24. So 1 remains. So 1 is not going to take decimal point, it will become 10. 3 3s are 9. So what is the current value? 18.3 ampere. So when resistors are connected in parallel, the current is equal to 18.3 ampere. So this is the total 3 cases. So remaining next class we shall discuss.